Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this pin lock in oppo phone. So as you can off it in this video guys, I will show you how to off pin lock password in oppo phone. So let's see how to off it. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So and now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys click on password and security setting. Click on login password. Which password guys you have, then guys you can turn off password. Again guys enter your password. Then guys login password will off. So you can see in our phone guys there is no any pin password. So I hope friends you have understood how to pin password in oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.